I've come out to the car today to see if I can have another go at trying to free off the clutch. I've got the tyres pumped up really hard because they keep going flat, so I thought I'd shove about 40-50 psi in each of them to keep them inflated for as long as possible. It doesn't really matter, I don't care if they get damaged, they're knackered anyway, but it just makes the car look a bit sad if it's always sat on its rims. I've had lots of helpful suggestions from everyone about how to go about freeing off the clutch, but they all seem to come back to either getting heat into it, heat cycles, or just being persistent and driving it around with your foot on the clutch and jerking it. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. I'm lucky because I have a lot of space and it's a slow revving engine, so even in first, once running, I hopefully won't be barreling along out of control. So I'm going to go down here around to the right, then there's a big open bit of tarmac down there, so I probably won't be filming this. I might try and do a little bit while I'm driving around one-handed, but we shall see. But yeah, gonna get it started up, warmed up, and then trundle around there, foot on the clutch, pulsing the accelerator pedal, and see if it'll just unstick. And we are away. We are in first gear, foot is down on the clutch. Quite disconcerting because you can actually see the ground going by through my Fred Flintstone hole. But this is quite a momentous day, still driving around. This is my big bit of tarmac, so I'm just going to go round and round in here, jerking, and hopefully it comes off. This could take a while. Sadly, no success yet. One thing did occur to me, and I think somebody actually suggested it, was that has it actually bled up properly? I'm actually getting any clutch anyway, so I'm going to double check that. This really isn't going very well at all. Now got that, don't know whether you can hear it, horrible rattling noise. So this jerking whilst driving is not working, so I'm going to park it back up. I think face the fact that I'm going to be pulling this gearbox soon.